Day number 11 of the 30-day Crypto.com challenge. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Crypto.com buy 2 exchanges from IG Group for $216 million. They're on the roll right now. Crypto.com is a force to be reckoned with, in my opinion. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. This price is sitting at 71% of the day. And I look at here, it's up 3%. But the potential from a year from now is huge, in my humble opinion. And that's one reason why I'm doing this challenge. So I'm going to buy this on Crypto.com today, and probably tomorrow get it on I'm going this on COINBASE.com today, and then I'll get it on Coinbase Pro tomorrow as well. So just kind of mixing up a little bit. So we're going to get $150 worth of Crypto.com, and we'll put it in the captain spreadsheet. I'll go ahead and move this to day number 12, and this will just be Coinbase. This will be just Coinbase.com. Just mixing up a little bit. Nothing, just mixing it up. And we'll go ahead and continue doing that. I even go ahead and light this up a different color. Yeah, let's do blue. So we're going to get $150 worth in this price. So let me go ahead and take this, copy this. Let me preview the price, $150 worth. And we're going to put this right in the captain spreadsheet that's right here. So it's 205 assets. That gives us 2,371. Our goal is about 4,000. We already got 1,000 staked in our Crypto.com wallet. So we want a crisp 5,000 in terms of Crypto.com. That's the goal. 4,000 here. We have 1,000 already being staked already. So 5,000 I think is a good amount. So in my opinion, this is just based on my opinion. So let's go ahead and buy this now. The fees is only $2.99. That's not bad at all. And, the fees are a little bit lower here, but the Coinbase.com is not bad at all. So you basically can make a decision on that. So $2.99. Coinbase Pro fees are cheaper. So let me go paste it right here. Keep getting that confused. Crypto.com, Coinbase.com. So I like them both. They're really, really good. So let me go back here. Let's go back. We see the price there. Let's go ahead and view transactions. Now you don't see the consistency on here because I've been getting on Coinbase Pro. I almost said the wrong thing again. So 71 cents. And we have a total of $147.01. $107.01. That gives us a total of $150. Now we need to change this to 11 because we're on the 11th day. And also the buying price has went up a little bit. So that gives us a total profit of negative $88.91. In the short term, I am not worried about this. Let's come back about 6 months from now. I do believe this will be dramatically different. And we'll do that. The same thing on the Shiba challenge. Remember we said, let's check back on this date. And then we're going to check back on another day. So we'll have dates where we'll check back, and we have not touched this. We still have all this. We'll come back and we'll take a look at Shiba 30-day challenge. And we'll keep coming back once a month. Just do a recap, see what the price is, and we'll do the same thing on Crypto.com. Do a recap, see where it is. Just one day a month. And we don't plan to touch this until next year. Maybe even 2023. I'm just being honest. But anyway, let's go back and recap it here. We paid $17.46 in Crypto.com amounts, only $38.85 in fees, which is really good in my opinion. And so we have a total of paid $17.85.84. Crypto.com amount $23.71. The goal is 4,000. So the goal will be about 4,000, and we are going to stake this on our Crypto.com, and we're just going to leave it there, but we'll track it here as well. So that's in the book. We'll be back on day number 12, but today is December 1st, 2021. This is day number 11. I'm so excited because of all this good news that's coming out here, especially right here. I'm so excited. My Jesse Spano's voice. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Little Timmy's excited because he sees the future. He sees the future, and we're going to continue this challenge. Thank you for being with me. Congratulations if this is your 11th straight day or even your first day. And remember, if you don't have access to the crypto.com or coinbase.com, click on the link below. Get started. I'll see you on the next video.